Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. First of all, unlock your phone and go to your home screen. From there, find the Messenger app and tap on it to open it. Once the app opens, you'll see your chat list. We'll start by going to the menu because the unrestrict settings are not directly in the chat. Now look at the bottom right corner. You'll see the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. This menu contains your settings, privacy options, and account controls. So it's where we need to go to manage restricted accounts. After opening the menu, you'll see settings under your name. Go ahead and tap on it. This section contains all your Messenger preferences, including privacy and safety options. So we're getting closer to the restricted accounts list. Inside Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Privacy and Safety. This section lets you control who can message you, see your activity, and includes restricted account settings. So this is exactly where we need to go next. Now scroll down until you see Restricted Accounts and tap on it. Here, all the accounts you've previously restricted will appear. You can review the list and choose which account you want to unrestrict. Finally, find the account you want to unrestrict. Swipe left on it, and you'll see the Unrestrict option. Tap on it, and that's it. The account is now unrestricted, and you can chat with them normally again on Messenger. It's really simple once you know the steps. So that's how you can easily unrestrict anyone on Messenger. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below if you want more Messenger tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.